We did not have a sign at all. We wanted a communication piece to the community, and from all the research that we had done and what had been recommended by the professionals, that LED is going to be the brightest, it's going to have the best clarity and promote our organization the way that we want it promoted.
I think at the beginning, the community supporters that were helping to sponsor the sign were more concerned about the cost. But once they saw what the LED sign could do through Stewart Signs, they all jumped on board and decided that LED sign was the way to go to get the most for our money.
The decision-making process was one that involved cost, timeline, and community involvement. The sign was paid for by a group of professional men and women, and also clergymen and women. So this is a community project and a community effort. And at the end of the day, we wanted the best product with the best support, and Stewart Signs was able to provide us that.
We wanted to make sure that the sign was up and running for our homecoming that happens in the fall of the year around September.
Stewart Signs was able to not only meet the deadline, but also overcome the obstacle of tunneling underneath the pavement and getting all the way to my secretary's window, who actually has the module box in her office to control what goes on the sign and what does not.
We were up and running a day or so before homecoming, so that's a large attraction of people, and it was exciting to see what the students as well as parents and community members thought when the sign was running for our homecoming last fall.
The community paid for the sign. Therefore, all communication pieces inside and outside of the school that need to show up on the sign, when school's in, when school's out, all the great events and extracurricular activities that take place here at Anderson High School are there, and it's relevant to every driver and every passerby that comes by our school.
And the community input has been incredible. The people that drive by call in to make positive comments about the sign, and it's so exciting to see a student that's received a certain achievement, and other than being recognized through the PA system, they can now actually physically see their name and their achievement out on the sign. That excites the students and the teachers and staff.
And we've received nothing but compliments, and Stewart Signs was excellent to work with the whole way.
And I do all the programming from my office to program events. You can program them far into advance or the minute of. Very easy to use.
If you wanted a new sign, obviously go out and get several bids as you're supposed to do, but at the end of the day, if they want a product that is going to work, a sign with clarity, and a company that can get something done in a very short amount of time, Stewart Signs would be who they need to contact to get it done.
As I now drive by other schools and look at their signs, it's always one of those looking at their sign and ours, and I am proud to say our sign is one of the best ones I've ever seen. It's a great communication tool. The kids love it, community loves it. I can't say enough. It's one of the best investments our school has ever made.